Good morning. My name is Alfredo Roto, and today I'm going to be realizing an experiment about density. Density is nothing more than the way the particles are packed together inside the material. The more particles, of course, the more weight, as the formula for density is mass over volume. So the density is directly proportionate to the mass of the objects. This experiment is going to be we're going to realize it with some liquids to begin with, and then we're going to use some objects to see how they react to each other. Okay, we are going to start our experiment by adding some water to the container. Then we are going to pour some maple syrup. And as you know, maple syrup is a lot denser than water, so we'll see what's going to happen. So, as you can see, the maple syrup went all the way to the bottom. That's because maple syrup is heavier than water. Now, so what is going to happen if we add some oil? Now, oil, it's lighter than water. So we predict it will stay on the top of the water. Now, as you can see, oil stays on the top of the water. Now, what would happen if we use some objects to test density? So how about a grape? Grape has about the same density as water. Let's do this. Let's see what will happen here. Now that is a surprise. So you see, it goes past the water, but it's not as dense as the maple syrup. So it penetrates the water, but it doesn't go all the way to the bottom of the glass. What about if we use a plastic cap? Now, the plastic cap doesn't have an even shape, so I have to dunk it up a little. And as you can see, it starts sinking to the bottom. But plastic, even though it's heavier than oil, is not heavier than water. So it stays on the bottom of the oil, but it doesn't go past the water. Thank you so much for watching this experiment.